what we want to do is make sure that he gets a fair and impartial day in court so that he can tell his story because the government has already told theirs.
A court hearing and new charges against a Lubbock dentist accused of heinous crimes against children. It's good to see you all again. I'm Brian Mudd.
I'm Lauren Motter. You'll remember last week Jason White was charged with child pornography after an investigation that involved Lubbock police, the FBI, and even Homeland Security.
Yeah, Mr. White back in federal court today, and KAMC's Laura Laughead was at this hearing as well and has new information about the case from the courthouse tonight.
Yeah, Brian and Lauren, in federal court this morning, White's bond was announced as $150,000. And it was also revealed that White is facing new criminal charges, but this time from the state. I spoke to White's attorneys on these charges and their comments on this case.
Just because somebody has been charged does not mean that they are absolutely guilty.
We think he's innocent until proven guilty, and we're going to fight to prove that.
Wednesday, Jason White appearing before a federal judge once again. White first appeared in federal court last week, where he was charged with child pornography and accused of having inappropriate relationships with teen boys, among other graphic allegations. But White's attorneys are pleading not guilty, and they say he's innocent until proven otherwise.
We understand that the optics on the case don't look good. Anytime these kinds of allegations come out, it's always going to be assumed that you're guilty until proven innocent. However, that is not the threshold that we should go after.
And they're pushing for him to be released from police custody as soon as possible.
He's running a business that people count on him, both for treatment and also for employees as well.
That's something the U.S. Attorney's Office is pushing against. Federal court documents saying White could be a flight risk or intimidate potential witnesses. Wednesday, new state charges also emerging against the dentist. An arrest warrant saying White has been charged with sexual performance by a child. Despite this, White's attorneys plan to continue to fight to prove their client's innocence in court.
In today's society with social media, it's really easy with anonymity to suggest that someone's a terrible person. But the truth is, those that know him, those that are related to him, know Jason's heart, and they know the kind of man he is. That's what we hope to prove.
White is set to reappear in federal court this Friday morning for a detention hearing, and he'll have to pay the bond before then. For now, he will remain in police custody. Reporting from the federal courthouse, I'm Laura Laughead, KAMC News.
Laura, thank you.